Ever felt overwhelmed by managing countless emails and projects? You're not alone. Meet Abby Wood, the mastermind behind the Content Lab in Waterford, Ireland. This thriving agency specializes in content development, partnering with digital agencies globally. With an impressive portfolio of over 280 projects, the Content Lab serves 120 satisfied clients. However, Abby faced significant challenges managing workflows before discovering the right tools. Juggling client projects with basic tools led to chaos and inefficiency for Abby's growing team. Desperate for organization, Abby sought a project management solution that would streamline operations. After exploring options, Teamwork's user-friendly layout and powerful reminders proved irresistible. Teamwork empowered Abby's team to enhance productivity and track project timelines effortlessly. With tools like Teamwork, the Content Lab excels in client collaboration and exceeds expectations effortlessly.